Welcome to Commons West. This is a 5-story apartment building on the western end of the Ithaca Commons. We're here today to see apartment 402, a studio on the 4th floor. Let's head on in. As you enter, the first thing you'll notice is your 2 large closets on the right. Next to the closets, you'll see your intercom, which lets you buzz your friends up. To the left is your kitchen. A nice kitchen with an electric oven and range, a microwave, a refrigerator, and a built-in breakfast bar. This is an example of an unfurnished apartment. You supply all your own furniture and arrange it however you like. Every apartment is air-conditioned and has a heating element. This apartment faces north with a large picture window overlooking the Ithaca Commons. We'll finish in the bathroom. Nice bathroom with a vanity and a full wall mirror and a shower and tub combo. Rent for Commons West apartments includes heat, water, and trash and recycling fees. Electricity is the tenant's responsibility, and high-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour of Commons West 402. Call us today for availability.